it's Naja here, and today I wanted to show you all how I maintain my hair underneath of my protective hairstyles. My protective hairstyle of choice is wigs. I'm going to be trying to keep my hair in hibernation and wigged up for at least the majority of the winter time. So protective hairstyles and wearing wigs is only really good for your hair if you're maintaining your hair underneath of them. So I like to make sure that my hair is moisturized. I like to use a lot of herbal concoctions and oils at least 3 times a week. So I'm going to show you guys what I usually do, and at the end of this video I'm going to show you how I make my my herbal aloe vera. I really don't even know what to call it. To me it's a moisturizing agent. I make it different every time, but this particular time I did aloe vera juice. Excuse me, I did aloe vera juice, amla, marshmallow root, slippery elm, and rosemary. I usually put rosemary in almost everything that I do. So I'm gonna go ahead and take my wig off. I only wear glueless wigs, so just pop them on off. And my wig gripper here. And you see my hair is very, very fuzzy. I've had my braids in, I think I'm going on like 14 days now, 13, 14 days now. But I have washed my hair twice, I want to say, or I shampooed it once, but I rinsed and conditioned it in between that time. So that's why it got fuzzy pretty fast. And I also do scalp massages on a daily basis, so that also kind of like loosens up my braids a little bit. So what I do every single day, I shake up my little moisturizer and I just spray my hair every single day. Let's see. My spray bottle is not working. Hold on. It must be clogged. I think sometimes the herbs get mixed up in there. Okay, I got it working now. So just spray my hair every single day. I don't get it soaking wet. I just kind of like finely mist it. And then I go ahead and spray my ends as well. And that's pretty much it. This feels so good on my scalp, so that's why I like it. And then I go in, I do a different oil all the time, but this one that I'm using right now is Jamaican black castor oil and rosemary. That's it. Literally, that's all. Sometimes I do like a whole lot of different oils, but I'm keeping it really simple right now. So being as though my hair is already clean, I like to wash my hair. So this is how I avoid a lot of manipulation on my hair. I wash my hair, deep condition it with the braids in. I let it air dry usually for at least a day or two. And then I go in and refresh my braids. See how this one is like really, really loose on the end there. This one is, it's pretty loose. So I go in and I just do each and every braid. That way I'm not having to blow dry my hair. I don't have to do too much manipulation on my hair. I just go in after it's cleaned and deep conditioned with the braids in and just refresh my braids this way. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that now, and then I'll show you how I make my aloe vera moisturizer. All right, so on to the recipe portion. It's really simple, you guys. It's only 5 ingredients involved. I mixed the amla root, marshmallow root, slippery elm, and rosemary. I just put that into a mason jar, and then I just drenched all of those herbs with aloe vera juice. And then I just let that sit for about a day or two before I move on to putting it into my bottle. So you're just going to want to make sure that you shake up your bottle every day before using, because a lot of the particles are going to settle to the bottom. You'll be able to see that. What I'm doing next is I'm just straining out some, because I wanted to give some of the extras to some of my clients that come in for braid downs. I am a hairstylist in Deptford, New Jersey. So when I do braid down appointments for people that are getting wigs put on, sometimes I'll give them some of my extras here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know in the comments if you make this recipe. Have a blessed day.